In this lecture, we'll learn how to find the intersection of a line and a circle, how to find the intersection points of a line and a circle. So let's say we're given a line with equation 5y plus 3x equals to 4, and we're given a circle with equation x squared plus y squared plus 4x minus 10y equals 7, and we're asked to find the points of intersection, if any, between this line and this circle. So it's pretty simple. We will solve them both up simultaneously. So from this, I'll find the expression of y, or you can find the expression of x, but I'll prefer finding the expression of y, which is, because it's easier, 4 minus 3x over 5. Let's name this as equation 1, and this is our equation 2. Now putting equation 2 in 1, right, we'll get x squared positive 4 minus 3x over 5 whole squared plus 4x minus 10 into 4 minus 3x over 5 equals to 7. From this, I'll get x squared plus 16 minus 24x plus 9x squared over 5 plus 4x. From this will cancel out this by 2. We'll get minus 8 plus 6x equals 7, right? Now solving this and this, I'll get plus 10x. So x squared plus 16 minus 24x plus 9x squared plus 10x. This thing is over 5. And 8 when it goes there, this will become 15. Now I'll multiply 5 on the left hand side of this equation and on this right hand side of this equation to eliminate this 5. I'll get 5x squared plus 16 minus 24x plus 9x squared plus 50x. 5 and 15 is, what is this? 5 for the 25, 5 on the 75, right? From this, I'll get 14x squared plus 26x minus 59 equals 0. Upon solving this, I get two values of x. One is, let's say, x1 equals to 1.324. I have solved this using quadratic formula. And the other one is x2 equals to negative 3.18. Right? Now for x1 is 1.324. The value of y is 4 minus 3 times 1.324 over 5, which is why I'm using this expression for finding the value of y. For this x, let's name this y1. y1 is 0.0056, and for this, the value of y, let's label this y2. This is 4 minus 3 into negative 3.18 over 5. From this, I'll get the value of y2 equals to 2.708. Now we have two intersection points. This one is negative 3.18, comma, the y coordinate is 2.708. This one is 1.324, comma, 0.0056. Now this is actually the line 5y plus 3x equals to 4, or if I write this in general form, I'll get y equals to 4 by 5 minus 3 by 5x, right? 4 by 5 is y intercept, this one is c, which is 4 by 5, right? And its gradient is negative 3 by 5. And this is the circle with the equation x squared plus y squared plus 4x minus 10y equals 7, right? And the center of the circle is at negative 2 and 5. And the radius of the circle is 6 units. So that's how you find the intersection of a line and a set.